This successful connection, you're going to need a couple things. Your FishHunter 3D fully charged and your smartphone or tablet. On your smartphone or tablet, we're going to be talking about two main areas. Your settings, where you're going to find Wi-Fi, and then your FishHunter app. If you don't have the FishHunter app yet, please go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and download the app. Once you've downloaded the app and you have it on your screen, just touch on it with your finger to open it. Depending on whether or not you've logged into this FishHunter app before, you'll be presented with some splash screens or not, and you can ignore those. In the main app, we have a number of different things that you can do, but we're going to be focused today on the sonar. So you're going to press the sonar button and you're presented with a menu option to choose which sonar you have. We're focused on the directional 3D sonar, so we're going to press that with our finger. It's going to open us up to the sonar menu, as you can see here. It's selected Wi-Fi because that's what your FishHunter Directional 3D runs on, is Wi-Fi. And in this menu you're going to see three options. There will be a fourth option here when you're actually connected. I'm not connected to my FishHunter 3D yet. We're going to show how to do that. But when I am connected, you're going to see an extra box appear here. Whenever you're not connected to your 3D sonar, whenever you start fishing, it's going to give you a message indicating that you're not connected. There may be other times when you're also not connected, and you can follow these steps on how to reconnect yourself to the FishHunter sonar. So if we wanted to go fishing today, it keeps telling us we're not connected. So we're going to go into our Wi-Fi settings in this smartphone tablet. Currently it's turned off, so we're going to turn on our Wi-Fi settings. We're going to be looking for the FishHunter Wi-Fi. Now in my case, the FishHunter Wi-Fi has come up automatically and it is connected itself because I have a checkbox and I've got full signals. In your case, you may see the FishHunter down here in a list of optional Wi-Fis. You're just going to press on it and it's going to move itself into the top position. Once you've connected to your FishHunter once and you are the only person that connects to your FishHunter, it will always appear in your list here, and if there's no other Wi-Fis along in the area or around in the area, it will automatically connect you. Once you're connected, leave your Wi-Fi area. You can go back to your FishHunter app. Now as you can see here, I don't see that extra box. So I would just ask you to leave the sonar area, go to any other area in the app, go back to the sonar area, and there you're going to see the extra box which says switch device. We're going to talk about that in a few minutes. Now I know I'm connected to my FishHunter 3D. If I want to start fishing, it's going to bring up the four views that you have the option to use. 3D bottom, bottom mapping, directional casting or directional view, and ice fishing. In this case, I'm not actually on the lake, so I'm not going to click on these at this point in the video. I'm going to do a little bit later and show you how they work. So I'm going to go back to the main screen. So this is how you connect to your FishHunter sonar. If at any time you lose this or you get messages saying you're not connected, you just need to go back to your Wi-Fi settings and you need to make sure that FishHunter is selected here. You've got the checkbox and you've got all of the bars there. If not, just reselect it on the list and then go back into the app and you should get this screen. Now switch device is something very specific. If you're on your boat and you would actually like to have somebody else use the FishHunter, you have got the ability to do that. But what you'll need to do is you're going to need to switch device and you'll have 5 seconds to turn off the Wi-Fi in this phone so that the FishHunter can be released and another party in your boat can connect to the FishHunter. It is quite quick, so I'll show you how it works. You've got to switch device. It's going to tell you that you've got to count down once you do this, and I'll show you the process. Switch device, it starts counting. Leave that, go back into your Wi-Fi settings, turn your Wi-Fi off, and you've done the right thing. Go back to your FishHunter, wait for the time to expire, and now you can see that extra box has disappeared, and I've actually released the FishHunter so that it can be used by somebody else in my boat. That is how you connect and release the FishHunter Directional 3D.